Okay, hello children. Yeah, I think by now you all should be preparing for your CA, right? Should be coming soon. So anyway, yeah, of course down here we are learning something new as well as a little bit of revision. So for the revision part, what we have will be on a bit of geometry, measuring angles, what you call 8-point compass, that kind of thing. Okay, then after that, we will be focusing on just one concept, and that concept is on unchanged difference, or otherwise we call it fixed difference. All right. Okay. Yes. So let's come to our very first question, and let's. Why is it not moving? Okay, let me get started. Yeah. Okay, I think I should be able to get it out now. Okay. All right. Yeah. Who would like to tell me what is the value of this angle? Okay, I have Gautam writing. Okay, you have written as 82. The thing is that you are looking at the computer screen, so you have to be more careful. If you are looking at the computer screen, you should be very accurate. That is not 82. It is closer to what? See again. Yes, it is actually 81. Okay, it is just 1 degree after the 80 mark. All right, so it is 81. Okay, but of course, when it is what you call on your exam paper, then it's a little different. We give you the benefit of +1 degree and -1 degree. All right, okay. But now since we are learning, then yeah, we make sure we are perfect. Okay, Kaiser has raised his hand. So maybe you can tell us what is the value of this one? 125. Okay, very good. Okay, we have Shanmu who wrote 125 as well. Okay, Kaiser, I thought you went to pray already. You're back. Okay, Gautam is writing
I
1, 2.
haven't.
Oh, you haven't? I
But
replied
by
in
the
the.
way, disturb.
Ayo, I wrote in the chat. I say yes, please. You can go ahead, what? Okay, Gautam 125 as well. Okay, good. All right. Okay, so much for measuring angles. Let's move on to 8-point compass. So what we have here is an 8-point compass, and they already put down all the so-called the directions for us, right? So we definitely know where is our north. Our north is pointing upwards. And then from there, what we are told is that Dolly was facing northwest at first. Okay, so facing northwest at first. After that, she's going to turn 180 degrees clockwise. So what is the direction that she's facing now? Okay, I can see many of you writing, but what are you writing? Okay, yeah. So I saw southeast, I saw southwest. I think I have more southeast than southwest, right? Okay, so we actually need to know where we started from. So we started from northwest. And then when you turn 180 clockwise, actually the angle that was drawn was the wrong one. It should be the other way. Yeah, this way, clockwise. So southeast is the answer. So yeah, if you have gone the wrong direction, generally you wouldn't get it right. But because this one is 180 degrees, so whether you turn by the right side or you turn by the left side, you will still hit the same point. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on. Oh, we have somebody trying to come in. Okay, so where is my? Now I cannot get it to move. Okay, so let's try to move this. Okay. All right, I think I need to clean some of this. Okay, so this is our next question. Now, who wanted to try? This one is a little tricky. Do I have anyone who wants to try? No, nobody wants to try. Okay, Gautam. All right, you want to tell us what's your answer? I saw Rose writing also, so and then disappeared. Okay, never mind. We see Gautam's answer first. Gautam, where's your answer? Question is asking which direction is point R from point Q. Gautam, you drew the compass, but what's the answer? So your answer is northeast. Okay, I think we have a bit of an issue here. Okay, before we answer the question, let's talk about where the northeast and where the northwest is supposed to be. Because based on Gautam's drawing, if you draw north over here, your east should be on the right side and your west should be on the left side. Okay, it should be this way. And the south is at the bottom. All right. So already identifying where the east or the west is a problem. Okay, and then I think I saw Rose drawing the lines. Shanmu is also writing down the answer. So yeah, those who tell us that southwest is the correct answer. Then I see southeast as well. Okay, the correct answer for this question is actually southwest. Okay, so children, let me just clean away all your annotations first. Okay, now children, you are given this, correct? So you must know they are telling you north is now here. So your south is opposite side, your east is at the bottom, and your west is on top. So because the compass is given to you, you have to observe the compass. All right. Then what is the meaning of saying in which direction is point R from point Q? So because of the word from and then point Q, you must put point Q right in the center. So I'm just drawing an arrow. Your Q should actually be right in the middle there. Okay. All right. So from Q, you will have to draw a line out to R. So that means this is the part where you actually put the compass. You put the compass there. You put where the cross is, Q right in the middle. Then the north is here now. Okay. So because of that, now I don't know why it doesn't want to allow me to move. Okay, let me try again. Now it's not working. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so you see southwest is actually pointing this way where R is. So that's why our answer should be southwest. All right. Okay, so you have to look at your compass. Okay, I think Samilta is trying to answer something. Okay, next question, all right? Okay, let's look at our next question. But I need to clean everything first. Just give me a moment while I try to clean. Okay, I think the annotation got... okay, all right. Okay, Samilta, you want to answer this? So let's get your answer. North, west. Okay, very good. Northwest is correct. So let's try to understand why northwest is actually correct. The question is asking what direction is R from Q, right? So Q is actually put right in the middle. Q is actually there. Okay, and from Q, so that is where your Q is, right? Our compass is placed here actually. Okay, like that. With Q right in the middle. Then 45 degrees, it goes out there. So that's why we are looking for this direction. Okay, and if that is the case, then, oh, no weapon. Northwest is our answer. All right, so northwest is our answer. Okay, so that was correct. Well done. Okay. Oh, Kaiser is back. All right, so we move on to our next question. Okay, Gautam wants to answer. So, okay, Gautam. The question is asking which street did the bus turn into? We are told the bus is actually moving along street Y. Okay, so street Y actually is from left to right and right to left. So it doesn't really matter which side it is moving from, because from this horizontal line, right, it must turn southwest. Okay, so let's see what Gautam's answer is. Okay, Gautam has written north. Are you sure north is your answer, Gautam? Y Street N. Okay, all right, yeah. So I think the whole problem is because we don't know where our north, our south, our east, our west is. So let's make use of the compass again. The compass is here, north is here, south is here, east is on the right side, and west is on the left. Yeah, thanks, Kaiser. So what happened is the bus must go southwest. So southwest, yes, Kaiser has already drawn. It is this direction. Okay, that means we know the bus must come this direction. It is street D we are talking about. Yes. So you either come from the left side and then turn down, or you can come from the right side, but you will also turn down the same way. So it does not matter whether you come from the left or the right. You will eventually turn southwest into street D. So which street did it turn into? It is actually just street D. All right. Okay. Incidentally, this used to be a PSLE question from a number of years ago. Okay, now let's look at our next question. Oh, okay, let's try to clean that. I think Kaiser actually asked to do this question, so we'll have Kaiser do first. All right. Kaiser, so your answer? Okay, let's see. Where is the answer for A? Okay, you can see in yellow, yeah? Okay, A is southeast. And then let's see the answer for B. Point B. Okay, actually both are correct. Okay, so let's try to understand why it is correct. Now, the school is north of the library. So you can already tell that the library is here. Then the school is all the way to the top. So yes, the school is north of the library. We want to know in what direction is the playground from the library. So like I say before, if it's from the library, then you need to put the compass onto the library. The library will be right in the middle of the compass. So what happens is from the library, we have to draw an arrow down. So you saw the arrow, right? It comes down. And that's where the playground is. So it is actually on the southeast. Okay, it is on the southeast. You can tell from this compass as well. Okay, now when it comes to part B, a boy wants to go to a point that is located east of the library, southwest of the mall. So what you need to do is you look at the library and you draw a line to the east, like that. Okay, then it must be southwest of the mall. So from the mall, you draw a line down. Okay, so you can actually see I think the yellow is Kaiser's. All right, so what happened is when the two lines actually meet each other, it is actually over here. That is our answer, and that point is actually